Okay.
We're with Lorenzo White at DC 30 in the Blacks and Cyber Village. And after the talk, we started talking about your experience at DEF CON. And what was your first year at DEF CON?
So my first year was either 2014, 2015. And I was in corporate America. I've been to plenty of corporate cyber events, like been to RSA a couple times and other smaller events like that, your normal run-of-the-mill corporate.
Yeah.
So I heard about DEF CON, knew I had to come, showed up my first day in a suit and tie, I think it was a regular conference. I was like, oh no, this is not. Looked around, walked back to my hotel room, changed, and came back. So.
And when did you end up spending your time at DEF CON that year?
Man, it was great. So every conference I've been to, I learned so much in that first conference that I ever learned. Everything's hands-on. So many people to talk to and actually learn and interact. It's not just a bunch of vendors trying to sell you stuff. It's actually a learning experience. The best bang for your buck any conference. I'll tell anybody that, especially want to get in cyber. Even if they just thinking about cyber, come here, experience everything, see if you want to do it. You can go try whatever. If you want to do hacking, if you want to do GRC, there's someone here doing it.
Yeah, I think one of my favorite things about DEF CON is it doesn't matter whether you go at the villages, whether you go to the contests, while all of those things are fun, you can find those things online. What you get at DEF CON is the people you meet and the friends you get and being along the way. Is you meet them one year and then year after year. It's like it's coming back to camp or something like that where you're meeting all the old friendships.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's great.
My first one, I actually only knew one person here. And he was the one who told me to come out here. And then, every year start learning, meet more people. I ran into him one time the whole time we were here. And then every year, and then I'm part of the local, got tied in more of the local group. And a lot of people there go too. So then going to all the B-sides and everything around all the other cyber events too.
And it started coming to one con with one friend.
Right.
Found a few more friends, and now it's a village?
Yeah, now it's a village. And like this year I brought my nephew and another mentee of mine, and they're young, fresh out of college, so they're here to learn and get them plugged in as well.